Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course, Build a Machine Learning Workflow with Keras TensorFlow 2.0. A little about myself. I have a master's in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. In response to the rise of other deep learning frameworks such as PyTorch, Keras has transformed itself into a tightly connected part of the TensorFlow 2.0 ecosystem, even as it serves its original purpose of being a high-level, easy-to-use API. In this course, first you will learn how different APIs in Keras lend themselves to different use cases. Sequential models, consisting of layers stacked on top of one another, are simple and have long been supported by Keras. Next, you will discover how more complex types of models can be constructed using the functional API. This API is designed to create callable models, which are a change from the usual object-oriented paradigm underlying most deep learning models. Finally, you will explore how custom layers work and how model subclassing is implemented in Keras. Model subclassing is a great way of implementing the forward pass of a model imperatively and is particularly useful when used with eager execution. Custom layers also offer a higher level of flexibility than sequential or functional APIs and can be used to define layers that hold state, including both trainable and non-trainable weights. You'll also learn best practices that will help you get the most of your custom layers. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to choose between the many different model building strategies available in Keras.